Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to set autosave intervals to protect projects without lagging the timeline. Frequent background saving rules trigger sudden CPU spikes that freeze your playhead tracking, but optimizing the internal countdown matrix keeps your project secure without timeline interruptions. First, launch Premiere Pro and open your active video project layout. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the application interface layout, click Edit. Hover down to Preferences, and click directly on AutoSave. Locate the configuration checkbox explicitly block labeled Automatically Save Projects, and ensure it is checked on. Find the options line labeled Automatically Save Every. Click inside the numerical minute input block, and change the rule selection value to 20. Bumping the gap up from 5 to 20 minutes stops the system engine from constantly interrupting your live rendering operations. Move your eyes directly below to the maximum project version's input block and change the value rule to 30 to guarantee a deep security history without bloating your drive partition. Locate the checkbox explicitly labeled Save Backup Project to Creative Cloud and clear the checkmark completely to kill background internet upload operations while you edit. Next, find the option explicitly labeled AutoSave also saves the current projects, and check this box on so you never have to wait for manual backup renders. Now, click the OK button. Finally, save your project manually once using Ctrl and S to immediately force the application file structure to synchronize with your brand new timeline rules. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.